You know, when it comes to bringing your vacuum lines in, you want to bring those in as efficiently as carefully also. Why is that? Because there's 3 different ways to bring them in. I've noticed some cleaners over the years I've been doing this. Number 1 is they'll grab the hose, pour it all down on the ground, grab a little hunk of it, start bringing it in. And in the meantime, they can damage some paint up on the porch, or they can drag it through the grass and dirt, get inside the home, and they're going to track dirt in there. That defeats your purpose and leads to a negative moment of truth. Number 2, I've seen cleaners grab it, wrap it around their waist, go in circles. They're dizzy by the time they're going up there. It's possible going to fall. The best and the most efficient way I came up with is pull this down all the way down to your feet. As soon as it touches your feet, put your arm up under it. And then you just take and keep on doing that until you hit your 50-foot section. Because I've noticed 50 feet will get you just about anywhere inside of a home. But of course, you want to pull out an extra 25 feet so you can get to the door, because you got to park at least 25 feet from the home. So that way, you don't have to worry about carbon monoxide. Also, check this out. You can throw it right up on your shoulder and just start walking in.